In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure blog subscription notification emails in HubSpot. To get started, sign in to your main HubSpot dashboard and head to the top navigation menu. From there, go to Marketing, then Website, and select Blog. This area is where you manage the settings connected to your blog content, including how subscribers receive updates whenever new posts are published. If you manage audience communication through your blog, this is an important section to know because it helps you control both the timing and the appearance of your notification emails. Once you're inside the blog settings area, look for the Subscriptions tab in the main navigation panel and click it. This section contains the subscription email options tied to your blog. Here, you'll be able to decide how often subscribers are notified about new content. Taking a moment to review this area carefully can help make sure your readers are getting updates at the right pace, whether that means immediately after a post goes live or on a regular schedule. Next, use the available toggle switches to enable the subscription notification frequencies you want to offer. You can turn on instant, daily, weekly, or monthly notifications depending on your communication strategy. Instant notifications are useful if you publish high-priority content and want subscribers to know right away. Daily, weekly, and monthly options are better if you prefer to group updates into a digest-style email. Choose the settings that best match your publishing rhythm and your audience's expectations. After enabling the frequencies you want, click Edit next to any frequency type to customize the email design. This is where you can modify the text layout, adjust colors, and update the header image so the email matches your branding and looks polished when it arrives in a subscriber's inbox. As you make these edits, keep readability in mind. Clear formatting, clean color choices, and a professional header image can make the email feel more trustworthy and easier to engage with. When you're satisfied with your settings and design updates, click the blue Save Changes button. This saves your subscription email configuration and launches your active email distributions based on the frequencies you've enabled. Before finishing, it's always a good idea to